Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can see who has viewed your profile on TikTok. Now for this, your profile view has to be turned on. So first I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn that thing on. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, make sure your TikTok is up to date, because if your TikTok is not up to date, you're not going to be having this feature, because this feature is only on the latest version of TikTok. All right, so update your TikTok, and then you come on profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top of your screen and go on setting and privacy. And on setting and privacy, you go on versus privacy. And on privacy at the bottom, you can see profile views. Click on it, make sure it's turned on. All right, and as you guys can, it says see who viewed your profile in last 30 days. All right, which means you can only see like people who has viewed your profile within the 30 days. All right, you cannot see more than that. Once you turn it on, at the top you can see a person's profile picture with a 1 written on its side. That's what it is. You can click on it and it's going to show you all the people who has viewed your profile. So these are the people who have viewed my profile over here, and it's going to be denoted with the eye icon over here, just like this on my screen. I can click on it and I can click on the setting icon at the top, and I can turn it off if I want to. All right, if I turn it off, I would not know who has viewed my profile in TikTok. So yeah, that's how you guys can see people who has viewed your profile in TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Peace.